try it like it created. And I have a haul here from the dollar store, Dollar Tree specifically. And I am going to share with you everything I just found. I have a couple of bags here. I really don't have anything organized, so I'm just going to grab and share as I pull things out. So the first thing I grabbed was this foam for dried flowers. And I am going to use this as an item to poke into for drying, for like beads and so forth. It has a big red dot on it, so I think that might mean it was $1.75 or $1.50. I think that's where they're headed right now. They had all of their fall crafting things out, and this was really the only thing I bought, thinking that, now it says these are stickers, and of course you could use them as stickers, but I was thinking about peeling the sticker off the back and painting them more realistically and turning them into earrings. So we'll see how that turns out in another video. And then I stocked up on these paper packs, and I really like the ones that have like the handmade papers in it. So here's some glitter, some handmade, and I tried to grab packs that had bigger sized paper in it, and I really liked the purple that shows in this one. And I grabbed another one. It looks like it has similar paper. I don't see the purple in this one, but I do have some black here. One piece of that sparkle is in each of these. The handmade gray paper. And I think the green is different. I think the green is different in this pack, but I grab these when I see them. So put that back in my stash. This is just a refill. It says it is pop dot tape, but I'm pretty sure this is just tape or foam tape. I don't see any dots. I think it's just foam tape, but this is just a restock item. Then I found this set of stamps, which I have not seen before, but it's all different words. And I thought I like wording that's a little bit more unique instead of just the plain old, happy birthday, happy anniversary, love you, that kind of thing. But I like to use some of these more unique stamps when I do Tag It Tuesday projects. So I'm pretty sure this will come in handy fairly soon. Put that aside. I grabbed this set of stickers. Just really liked the butterflies and the gold accents on them, and they have foam dots on the back, and so there's 12 butterflies in this package, and this was actually the only one I saw of this. It was off by itself, so they may have more. I just didn't see it, so I grabbed those. And then they had it in the jewelry section. I didn't see a lot of things there, except I did see these tassel charm packs, and these were kind of new to me, and so I grabbed 2 so that I have 2 of each color if I need to use them for jewelry making. If I'm doing something like earrings or something, then I have one for each ear. So that was my reasoning behind those. And then I restocked on baby wipes. This is a different brand. I basically use them in my craft area, and so I just look for the ones that have the most wipes in them, and if they are fragrance free, that's even better. So I grabbed this to restock as well. So now let me go into my bags. Running out of a little bit of space here, but let's see. Okay, so I bought needle felting kits. They had different shapes, different kinds, and I just grabbed the cats. There were 2 cats. Cats look a little sad to me, but I grabbed them for my daughters. So I grabbed 2 of those. Hopefully there's 2 in here. I grabbed this set of wooden beads. They're kind of like a medium size. It says 10 millimeter, pink, white, and black. Figured that was useful. They found This is a restock item, is the Praying 15 mini watercolor sets. I have done a review on this, and I will try to link it down below for you. But these are fantastic colors. The intensity is just amazing for what you get. $1.25 in this little teeny pack, and once again watercolor, but the colors are very, very vibrant. All right, then I bought 2 Resin Studio jewelry molds. Now these are the same exact molds, and the reason I bought 2 is that if I wanted to make earrings kind of out of any of the rectangular shapes, I would need 2 to be able to make at the same time. So that was my reasoning for buying 2 of those, and that's a new set that I haven't seen before. Let's see. I also found in the sewing, they had like a sewing box on the end cap that was all sewing items, and the only thing I grabbed out of there is the sewing machine needles. I don't know if they'll work on my machine, but for $1.25, I thought I'd give it a shot. This says Universal, and this says Jeans. And so you get 10 pieces of sewing machine needles. I have no idea about the quality on those, but I just thought they were interesting. I did grab these bobby pins for me, even though they're like little girly looking. I liked the fact that they have a little accent on them as opposed to just a plain bobby pin, and that way I can hold my hair back. So that's not a crafting item, but that's one thing I did buy for myself. Oh, and then I found the Sharpie pens. The Sharpie pens, S-Gel. Now, I have gotten these from Sharpie at a trade show once, and I really like how they write. And so this package was black with blue, and you can tell the difference because the blue here, that will be the blue ink, and this one will be the black ink. It has a comfort grip. It is a gel pen, but it is a clickable pen, and they did have other combinations. So I believe they had red and black, and they had black and black. I don't remember what else, but it's a gel pen, but it's a no smear, no bleed technology. So I just grabbed that because I really like how those write. From the sewing thing, I also bought some elastic. And I was going to use this for like journals and so forth, and being white, I figured I could color it myself. So grab that, $1.25. And then I bought some stretch lace to do some bracelets, and I'll show you. I grabbed some beads. I think they're in another bag though. Let's see. Oh, they had these glass containers. This one is square. They also had a round one, and they have a gold top to them. This one looks like the gold is wearing off, so I'm gonna have to touch that up. But I thought I would give this a try for etching, and once again you can see that it's got the red label on the bottom, so I think that means it's a higher priced item. I bought the hand sanitizer pack to go with. These are the 2 scents that I found from Be Pure. It was watermelon and cucumber. So I grabbed those. And let's see. They've got a new box of washi tape out, and I use it a lot of times to put things down on my Cricut mats. So I just grabbed another one. I like the color of this. It has like a gradient of blue to green. Looks a little darker on the tape than it does here on the sample. But honestly, it doesn't matter to me because I just use it to hold things down. And then for the beads, these are the beads that I picked out. I think there's 5 different colors. I only grabbed these 3 that I was interested in. I grabbed the blue. Now there are some bugle beads in here of different sizes and very small seed beads. The seed bead size looks to be almost smaller than what I have seen or worked with other seed beads, but I don't know for sure. It says that there's 20 grams in here, and I believe they're I believe they're all glass, but I'm not positive. It doesn't say. $1.25. And so I got the blue, the purple, and the white. And that's what I was going to use the elastic for, was to string those. Well, let's see if there's anything else in here. All right, let me clear out some of this that's going out of the studio space. Okay, one more bag to go through here. And it's quite heavy. It has all the same stuff in it. And what I grabbed was the Anita's all-purpose acrylic craft paint. This is 8 fluid ounces. They only had one of each color that I grabbed, and they sold for $1.25. So I've got orange, I got royal fuchsia, citrus, and these are made by Rust-Oleum. And I've seen them in the craft stores, but I just thought for $1.25 I would grab them. They, acrylic paint. Can't go wrong. Amethyst. They had a bronze, which is a metallic color. And that one says metallic craft paint. These all say, oh, the purple is metallic as well. And then these are acrylic. And then this one is a Kelly green, or a Verde Kelly. I guess that means green. So that is everything I have hauled from the Dollar Tree recently. So I hope you enjoyed following along and seeing what I grabbed. My store was well stocked, and I was surprised to find as many items as I did on this trip. So hope you like seeing what I hauled, and if you've hauled any of these items, let me know what your thoughts are on how well they work, and if you are interested in any of them and want to know further about how I use them, or if they held up for whatever application, just give me a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for staying to the end, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. That really helps the algorithm, and you'll get notified then every time that I upload a new video.